How would you explore a destination if you only had 24 hours? Come along with me on today's Whirlwind trip.
Okay, finished. Hengchun means eternal spring in Mandarin. It was renamed over 150 years ago because it's pleasant weather. And it's the only castle city in Taiwan that has all the original gates remaining standing. So let's explore Hengchun a little bit more.
Among these 4 city gates, the North Gate and the East Gate still maintain their original appearance, and vehicles must pass through the narrow gate. The South Gate has undergone the most changes, with only the arched gates and surrounding brick walls remaining, while the upper parts of the gates has been rebuilt.
My favorite gate would be the West Gate. Wow, walking on a wall, looking at the red oak bricks, makes you start to realize and imagine how people were living back in the days. And you see, the gate opens to the commercial area where you can find the restaurants to dine in and there's some shops to walk around.
Sweet mung bean soup is a must-try dessert for visitors to Hengchun, Pingtung. It's originated from farmers in Pingtung. The green bean kernels paired with sweet soup is the perfect mix of rich starch and sugar to give farmers the energy they needed for their heavy work. Today, it has evolved into a local delicacy.
Okay. Wow, so this is the mung bean soup. I ordered it on ice. Look at the mung beans. They are usually green, but they actually hold and boil first, so they look kind of yellow and whitish. Wow, look at that. Let's try it. It tastes really creamy and really rich. It tastes a little nutty too. The texture is just kind of like the boiled potato. Oh, that looks interesting. Let's go check out the shop.
Hengchun's hot weather and beach location make tank tops, board shorts, and flip-flops the classic outfits for a visit. I found a unique shop here where you can make your own costume flip-flops.
Look at that, flip-flops. You can pick your own color. This is so convenient. What color would be ideal for flip-flops? Okay, I'll probably pick the yellow color. It matches with the green color. So the rubber lace comes in different sizes too. Make sure you pick the right length for yourself. 好，那我们要怎么样做？
这有3个洞，对不对？我们先对准这个往下压，它开口会打开，然后让它打开就可以了。这个像纽扣一样的东西，把它塞进来这个凹槽，
这样子拉起来，
然后往上拉，要用一点力哦。再来，完了。
OK，
再来一点。
OK，
后面比较厚，所以更用力。对，没错。然后拉起来。
All right, last one. Whoa, finished. Wow, look at that. They actually made it so durable that increased the suspendability. So, in that way, you can reduce ways of purchasing another flip-flops. And they also offer the repair service a lifetime. So if they're ever broken, make sure you come back and fix them. Let's try them on. Okay. Oh, fits perfectly. Wow, nice and comfy.